I often face frustration when attempting to create AI animation videos through tutorials. Either the tools were paid, or the animations turned out dull and lackluster, making them unappealing to viewers, which nobody enjoys. To address this, I decided to create a guide video for crafting premium AI animations, completely free. You can watch the animation video I created myself at the end of the video. The approach is straightforward. First, write a script for the audio, and then create images for the videos. Step 1. Crafting script to audio. Start by asking ChatGPT to help with the animation script and image prompts. After writing the script, copy it to a text editor like Notepad, adding commas and spaces to ensure voice pacing maintains a natural rhythm. To turn the script into speech, you can use a free website called tdsfree.com. Pick a voice and adjust its pitch and speed. The good thing is, you don't need to log in here, but this site has a limit on how much text you can use at once. For larger scripts, you might need to split them up. For a smoother alternative, you can sign up on app.clipchamp.com.
Go to Record and Create, then select Text to Speech. You can paste your entire script here for free. Make any changes you want and save the audio. Add it to a timeline and export it. Both sites offer similar good quality voices, but there might be some noise in the audio. For crystal clear voiceovers, go to podcast.adobe.com, navigate to the Go to Enhance Speech option, and upload the audio file. Subsequent processing refines the auditory output and enhances its overall quality. Step 2. Generating image and image animation. Now it's time to create images. Use the prompts from ChatGPT to guide you. For turning text into images, you can use two great free tools, Leonardo.ai and atubo.ai. Both give you free credits every day to make images. Leonardo is versatile, while atubo is better for making cartoon-style images. For this, you'll need to choose the Cartoon Craft model. Copy the prompt from ChatGPT and paste it in. Sometimes you might need to change the prompt a bit to get the right image. When it comes to animation, you'll often need the same character in different scenes. The image-to-image feature helps with this. Write a prompt for the image you want and adjust the guidance scale and strength to get the result you're looking for. But sometimes, the AI might not understand exactly what you're looking for. If AI doesn't perfectly replicate your vision, in that case, you can use hints by creating rough images in software like Photoshop or Canva. Upload these hint images, write a prompt, and adjust the parameters to get unique images. Leonardo.ai is similar to atubo and gives you 150 credits every day. So, if you run out of credits, switch to Leonardo.ai and repeat the process. Once you have your images, it's time to turn them into videos. There are 3 free image-to-video generators you can use for different scenarios. Layerpix animations are simple and can be used as much as you want. Go to layerpix.com, log in with Google, and upload your images. You can adjust the animation parameters and then download it in the format you want. Genmo animations are more intermediate, and you get 100 credits daily. Visit alpha.genmo.ai, upload an image, and the AI will suggest a description. Click Make Video to animate it. You can also animate specific parts by using the brush tool. From the download option, you can simply download it.
Pika Labs is the best among these options, and it's totally free. To use it, you'll need a Discord account. Visit pika.art and click Join Beta. Accept the invitation and go to the Creation section on the Discord app. Click on Generate and write a command to start. Write a prompt, choose an image, and you'll get a result within a minute. Hit this button to save it to your device. Save all the animation clips in sequence to get it easily while editing. Step 3. Final touch and bonus tips. Then, use any video editing tool you want and put them together with the audio. To make your video even better, add background music and sound effects. You can find copyright-free music on YouTube that matches your story's vibe. Download background sounds that match the scenes, like forest sounds for forest scenes. You can even add special effects, like green screen fireflies or anything like that to enhance the result. To make the video even more engaging, add subtitles. Put a green rectangle on top of the video tracks and export it as a green screen video. This will be helpful later. Now go to video.ai and click Start for free. If it's not available in your country, you can use a VPN to connect to the USA.
Go to Import Video and upload your green screen video here. Hit Upload one file, click Done and go to the dashboard. Open that file in the editor. Change the size to landscape 16:9 and select the third template. Delete the social media portion. Now go to Subtitles and select any style you want. From here, you can download the video, but keep in mind that the free version only allows 720p quality. If you've used your main animation video, you'll need to export it at 720p. That's why the green screen is useful. It helps maintain the video's quality when adding subtitles.
With a final sequence of animations and subtitled videos, you're almost ready. Remove the green screen, and now you have a polished video ready to share without spending a single penny. This journey showcases AI's potential in animation, helping you create captivating narratives to share with the world. Continuing on, let's take a closer look at what I have produced.
In a land filled with magic and wonder, there exists an enchanted forest where animals and plants possess extraordinary powers. Meet Sammy, a curious young squirrel with a heart full of adventure. High in the embrace of a grand oak tree, Sammy lives in a cozy treehouse. Today, Sammy's heart races with excitement as he prepares for a journey that will change his life. Amidst the twilight's glow, Sammy's path crosses with Fiona, a firefly whose radiant light guides him through the night. Together, they form an unbreakable bond. Along their way, they encounter Winston, a wise old turtle who helps them cross the gentle whispering river. Its soothing waters carry secrets of the forest. Deeper into the grove, Sammy and Fiona meet Remy, a mischievous raccoon with a riddle to solve. The riddle is, I'm round and shiny, high above the ground. Find my twin, and the acorn will be found. Their minds come together as they unravel the puzzle leading to the rainbow acorn. In a clearing beneath twin moons, Sammy and Fiona uncover the path to the legendary rainbow acorn. With teamwork and determination, they unlock its secret. Finally facing the coveted rainbow acorn, Sammy makes a selfless choice. He leaves the acorn untouched, understanding that safeguarding the forest's magic is the greatest wish of all. Returning home, Sammy and Fiona are joined by the friends they've made on their journey. A promise is made to protect the forest's enchantment and to nurture their newfound bonds. As the sun rises over the enchanted forest, Sammy and Fiona stand united atop the grand oak tree. The magic of the forest dances in the morning light, and their hearts are full of joy. And so, Sammy's adventure reminds us all that friendship, courage, and the wonders of nature are the true treasures of life.